It's still going. Look at out here. I'm trying to get to work. This how it looks. So I pray that the road that the road dry up. And it looks so bad still the road look like it don't clear up a little bit. Cover me under this on this road. It don't even look like the snow finished falling.
So you go drive?
How me no drive, sir?
Huh?
I wonder how me no drive.
That me I wonder too? No, you go drive this morning. I see they go drive with it blind.
Really?
Really?
I come right back in there, can wake you up.
Eh?
I come right back in there, can wake you up.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because this is my lifetime. All of my traveling. You see people are shovel off snow, but I never know some of that do it. You can imagine him really living in a small country.
Every day you have to do
What
this.
does he do?
You have to do this every day.
Mm-hmm.
What's
Do
up?
this every day.
You don't think me that like you at all?
No, sir. That'll be too much. You see why people don't want to live in a small country? Because of them sitting here.
You know, most of them probably glad so they never have to go to work this morning. And me over there, I enjoy little facts and me have to move to, you know.
Who?
Me,
With what?
I enjoy little facts and me have to move to either.
I wonder they get him to go up to 3 or 4 they can't.
Really? Yeah, I know y'all ain't hear him. Listen me, by the time you do 2 car, you never want to do another.
I lie, yeah, I tell you. You're surprised. You see? Surprised, you see? I do all of them. And I pay me, I get paid for this. All of them people are $20. You $20 for all of them. Oh my God. Gotta go by size. The bigger vehicle in my mom. Yeah, not sure someone doing it, yeah. Bigger vehicle in my mom money. Excuse me.
So we have everything in front of the car.
When I switch your wipe, use the wiper, let me see something.
Them the surveys where you walk on in front of the car.
What? What about?
You can see them in the car.
That's about to work. No more.
Storm the ground for tree go down. You know this here, man. Bad so far because the highway now looks so packed. The highway look empty. It's like me a do one. So let's see how the road is, because one of the things that I'm looking for is to make sure that the road is not icy. Is a bit clear. itself is a bit clear. So that's good. So my house them still up on the road, you know. But like clear part of where we're driving, it's a bit clearer than normal, because if you look, I can show you like on the sides there is all over on in that gas station, and it's all over on this side of the highway. So I want to see now that I'm getting on the highway if it's the same on there. See, the snow ain't stop, y'all. The snow ain't stop. Look at this. We're still having snow. It's still snowing.
The stop sign, turn right.
It is still snowing. Oh my gosh, look at that.
900 feet. The destination is on your left.
It's still snowing.
Destination is on your left.
Okay guys, so I thank God I reached my destination. So I will talk to you guys later. Again, remember guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell so you could get videos when they uploaded. Press like, and also please always leave a comment. Your opinion is always needed. All right, guys, I'll see y'all another time. Thanks for coming. Boop.